Hello. So in the last video I have already discussed the objectives of accounting, like first one and the second one, that is systematic recording of business transaction. It is very important to record systematically of every business transaction. And next, number two, ascertainment of result. So now we will be continuing with objective number 3, that is ascertain the financial position of a business. Just like to objective 2, we need to ascertain, a businessman need to ascertain the result, whether he have earned profit or he have suffered loss. And this, so likewise it is also important, like this is also the main objective of a businessman, to ascertain whether he is financially, or his business is financially sound or not, to know the financial position. So the financial position of our business is ascertained by preparing a statement. This is ascertained by preparing a statement called balance sheet. So in this particular statement, all the values of the assets and the liabilities of the business are shown. Okay, so now see, for a businessman, it's merely merely ascertaining the profit or losses of a business is not enough. So obviously he should know, he must know that, like about the financial health of his business. So for this purpose, after preparing the profit and loss account, a statement called balance sheet is also prepared to show whether his to show the assets and their values on the one hand, and also the liabilities on the other hand. So next one, provide informations to various parties. So this is another very important objective, is to provide informations to various parties. Like there are a number of users, like you can say there are a number of other users who may be interested in knowing the informations about the financial soundness and the profitability of the other enterprise. So like accounting, what they do is that, like it aims to meet the informations needs of the decision maker and helps them. It also helps them when you will prepare accounting, when you will keep records. So it will also keeping record will also help the other parties, the third parties, to take rational decisions in relation to your business. Like you can, the third parties you can say are the various interested parties, you can say, like the investors, the creditors. If you want to take loan from bank, obviously the bank will have to go through the accounts, then the employees and government authorities, etc. So these are some of the parties who wants to know, like who may wants to know about the accounting. So this makes another objective of accounting. Next, the last one, to know the solvency position. So in the last one, it is important to know the solvency position. Now see, by preparing the balance sheet, management not only reveal what is owned or owned by the enterprise, but it also gives informations regarding the concern's ability to meet its liability, whether they are able to meet its liability or not in the short run. Okay, when we say meeting its liability in the short run, it means the liquidity positions of the business. And if we say that whether accounting will help in regarding the concern's ability to meet its liability in the long run, means the solvency positions as and when they fall due. So accounting also helps to know the solvency position. So these are some of the objectives of accounting. Now next, who are the users of accounting? Basically, the whole users of accounting are broadly classified into two types. First one is internal users, and second one is the external users. We will be continue with this in the next video.